The purpose of this analysis is to compare diabetes rates in poverty, race, age, education level, insurance rates, unemployment rates, healthcare access, Medicare reimbursement rates, and the number of Medicare enrollees for each county and state. For the data visualization, it is recommended that you enter full screen mode by clicking on the icon in the lower right-hand corner. The upper left table of this dashboard shows the diabetes rates for each county in the United States. This data is also reflected in the map shown in the upper right. The graph in the lower left displays the diabetes rates in descending order for the data that is selected. Finally, the scatter plot in the lower right displays the correlation between diabetes rates and Medicare reimbursement per enrollee. Using this dashboard, we can filter data to a selected state or county. For this example, we will select Illinois from the diabetes table by scrolling down and selecting IL with your mouse. The map will now display the diabetes rates in Illinois counties. You can see that the county with the highest diabetes rate is located in the northwest part of the state. The county with the lowest diabetes rate is located in the northeast part of the state. This trend is easier to see in the bar plot, where you can clearly see Stephenson County as the highest and Lake County as the lowest. When determining if the diabetes rates in the state of Illinois is associated with average Medicare reimbursements per enrollee, we see that there is not a very strong association. However, the trend is showing that as diabetes rates increase, the Medicare reimbursement per enrollee is decreasing. The use of this dashboard can reveal that in counties where there is a need for diabetes care and prevention, the Medicare reimbursement may not be adequately offering coverage, or Medicare may be underpaying.